We're presented with a lot of different avenues forward, and it's important that we let the best ideas win, not just easiest ideas to execute. We installed the first box hopper in 2022, picking and placing about 100 or so pounds of corrugated boxes at a time, loading a machine. That's very unique to the corrugated industry.
We did a lot of research, and a number of the systems out there were having issues, and people were very unhappy with them. One of the lessons that we learned from visiting people and seeing their robots and hearing the issues with them is that we built a robust fault detection system. In real time, we can deal with bad boxes and then just keep the hopper moving. A lot of people call these boxes living and breathing. We've really focused on making sure that our systems are robust to that variation. When there are changes or there are issues, that we're able to deal with them in real time and not just stop production. We're launching a dashboard for our systems out in the field, and so now you'll be able to get productivity metrics and really start to understand what the system is doing day to day, and we're hoping that all that data is going to allow people to really improve their throughput. You see millions of boxes moved and millions of pounds not moved by the operators. It's a really satisfying thing.